How to copy image from Google to Canva. Hi everybody, if you're wondering how, you can follow up the steps. So for that, you can open up canva.com in your preferred browser and you should be finding a blank presentation or any presentation. After that, in order to add picture, you can head over to your Google. You can head over to Google and search for the image that you would like to paste in your Canva. For example, Google image. You can head over to the images section to locate of the image. Once you go ahead and find the preferred image that you would like to add, for example this, you can right click on the image, and when you do, you should be given some options on your screen with the menu. So go ahead and click on copy image, this option. After that is done, you can head over to Canva again. And in Canva section, in this presentation, you can right click again and paste it. And you can allow the access from Canva. Once you do, your image should be pasted here. You can resize it according to your preference. So all you gotta do is paste it like this. For example, like this. And once your image is pasted, you are satisfied. That's it. So that is how you basically add image from Google to Canva. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.